The Garmin Mini 2 Dash Cam is incredibly compact, so small that it can easily hide behind your car's rearview mirror. Don't let its size fool you, though. It records in full HD at 30 FPS with HDR, producing sharp footage regardless of lighting and weather conditions. Registration plates and other important details are captured with clarity. Installation is a breeze with the Mini 2. Its compact plastic arm takes up minimal space on your windshield, and the ball and socket joint makes it easy to adjust the position. Given its small size, most users will likely opt to keep the Mini 2 in place permanently. The interface is user-friendly as well. While there is no built-in display, shortcut buttons allow you to quickly save clips and mute the microphone. The Garmin Drive smartphone app is where you can easily access additional settings, review recordings, and view the camera's perspective. This app also simplifies the initial setup process. While the Mini 2 May lack advanced features such as driver assistance functions, it offers voice controls and a G-sensor that can detect collisions. The only real missing feature is GPS. Unless you specifically need a dash cam with extensive driver assistance capabilities, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 will meet your needs. It is simple, unobtrusive, and reliable, the epitome of set-and-forget technology.